Evening folks, Handy's asked me to do this quick video showing you how to set up your backgrounds properly using an Android device. So all you're really going to need is a file manager app. For this I use File Manager HD, which you can get for free from the Google Play Store. It's really simple to use. So first of all we need to set up a folder within Kodi itself where we're going to store our images. So we open File Manager, going to click Device, going to click Android, then Data, scroll all the way down. I've got quite a lot of stuff on my phone, but if you're using an Android box, then there's really not going to be that much on there. So what you're looking for is org.xbmc.kodi. Now I'm not going to click that one because my Kodi's already got a build on it. So for the purpose of this video, you may have seen earlier, I created a Kodi fork and posted the link to it on the group. You can run this alongside a Kodi build, which will let you practice making your own one without disturbing what you already have installed. So you'll either be clicking org.xbmc Kodi, or if you're using the fork, which I am, it's org.xbmc Kodi my build. So click on that, then click Files, then click .kodi, and that brings us inside the actual Kodi folder itself. You can see there's the add-ons folder, media folder, systems folder, temp folder, and user data folder. Now you can store the backgrounds within add-ons, then skin.aeon Silvo, but there's already some default images in there, so I find it easier, and I've always done it this way, to put the backgrounds folder inside your user data. So we click user data, there we're inside. So what we need to do now is click the three dots in the top right hand side and click create, and we want to create a folder, and then we need to name the folder, and we're going to name it backgrounds. Click done, then just click OK, and there we have it. There's the backgrounds folder there, but obviously there's nothing in it yet. So this is where you're going to store all your images. I've already downloaded a couple, so I'm going to go all the way back out, and I'm going to go into my downloads folder, and there's the two images that I've already downloaded in advance. So I can tick both of them, then just click copy, come back out, and then we need to get back into find the folder that we created earlier. So again, it's Android, data, all the way down, and you'll be looking for your org.xbmc.kodi or your org.xbmc Kodi my build. So click that, and then it's files, Kodi, scroll down, get user data, open your backgrounds folder, and just click paste, and that puts both the images in there. So that's all we really need to do with the file manager app. So we can come out of there, open up our Kodi. As you can see, I've already got Aeon Silvo installed. Not really done anything to it apart from take the menu bar down to the bottom and make the sub-menus visible. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to File Manager. Now the reason we're going to do it this way is if you want to back up and restore your build to another device, then if you have your images stored and linked just from your downloads folder, then when you restore it onto another device, when Kodi goes to try and find the images, then obviously they're not there, they're on the device that you downloaded. So the easy way to solve that, we've already put the images into within Kodi itself. So what we're going to do is click File Manager, we're going to click Add Source, click on the source, and then we're going to type special. That's not how you spell special. Colon // home, / user data / backgrounds, as that's what we named our folder where the images are stored. / then click done. I'll already be named background, click OK. So there you can see the sources there, backgrounds. If we click on that, you can see the two images that we added into the backgrounds folder earlier. So we can come out of there. So then if we go into skin settings, set up the Aeon-Nox main menu. And then you pick what one you're wanting to add the backgrounds to, so it's not really going to matter. So let's just go videos, select background, click OK on that because we've already set the path, click single image, and there you can see that's the source that we added earlier via file manager. So if we click on it, there you can see the two images that we added to the folder. So there's not really going to matter what one I pick. Let's just take the first one, and there you can see it's set the background path, and the background path is set to special. Like I mentioned earlier, this must be done if you're going to transfer your build to another device. If you're never going to do that, then you can just link them from your downloads folder. It won't really matter, but it really is good practice just to do it this way. So let's do another one. Let's just do apps, select background, single image, backgrounds, take the second image. Now again you can see it's set to special home. So we can come out of there, let the skin shortcuts build, and there you can see we have the images and videos, and we also have it in apps, and it's as simple as that. That's how you do it. Again, good housekeeping. We want to come to power. We want to make sure we close coded down properly, and that way the images are guaranteed to stick and won't disappear. So click power, click exit, and that's it folks, as easy as that.